Hey future millionaire, are you ready to unlock these skills that can turn your passion into profit? Because in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 skills that every student must know if he or she is going to become rich. So stick around and I'm going to share some AI tools which you must know because these AI tools can skyrocket your journey to success. So let's get started. So the first one is content creation. Nowadays, content creation is in great demand. The very important skill is content creation. Whether it's blogging, YouTube, TikTok, everyone needs a valuable content. So if you know how to create content, you can be surely successful. You can take inspiration from creators like Mr. Beast or Ali Abdal. You can also use tools like TubeBuddy to optimize your YouTube content and Canva for thumbnail. Let ChatGPT generate your content ideas. Number 2 is dropshipping and e-commerce. Start your online store and sell products without touching inventory. Channels like Sarah Cribb's Wholesale TED will teach you this step by step. You can use Shopify to set up the store and TSR for managing inventory, and use ChatGPT to write products description for you. Number 3 is language translation and transcription. Companies are willing to pay for transcriber and translators. So if you are a great transcriber, you are going to make big money. Pair it this with AI to maximize efficiency. You can try DeepL Translator for accurate translation and Rev.com for transcription work. You can start with platforms like Fiverr to find clients. The next one is copywriting. Before AI, copywriter was in great demand, but when AI has came, copywriter is replaced by AI. So now what you can do is you can use AI and you can make amazing copywriting skill. Brand pay big money to people who can write ads, email and sales page that convert. You can use Jasper AI to write ad copies in second and pair it with Grammarly for flawless editing. The next one is digital marketing. If you are willing to help businesses to be online, so you can try this skill. This is one of the best skill if you want to make money. You should know how you have to do SEO and how you have to run ads. If you are expert in running ads, no one can beat you because brands and businesses are searching for the people, the expert one who can run their ads. So how to run the ads? If you are very great in running ads, companies will pay a big amount for it, because you are making it in a profit, right? For SEO, you can check Neil Patel's YouTube channel and other YouTube channel as well. The next one is video editing. Content is the king and video is its throne. Nowadays, video editors are in great demand. As content creation is in great demand, video editor are in also great demand. So if you are interested in video editing, learn this skill and you can find the clients and the content creators who are interested to make their video edit. You can learn video editing from YouTube videos and you can learn editing to create YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, even TikTok ads. You can use tools like CapCut and VN for short video editing, and for long video editing, you can use Adobe. The next is public speaking and personal branding. People love confident speakers. So if you are one of them who are interested in public speaking, you must learn this skill, because if you know how to speak in public, you can easily host podcast, you can easily be a host of an event. It is one of the very best skill. If you learn, you are going to make a lot of money from it. You can use Otter.ai that can transcribe your practice session, and Canva can help you to design branding material. The next one is programming and coding. Tech is where the money is. So if you are interested in coding, so learn coding and unlock opportunities like app development and working with startups. Free Code Camp is a great channel to start. You can use ChatGPT to debug code and learn new concepts faster. Sites like LeetCode can sharpen your skill. The next is graphic design. From logos to website design, business need creatives. Learn graphic design and start freelancing and creating assets for brands like Saturi Graphics. You can use Figma and Adobe Illustrator to bring your visions to life. For quick design, go with Canva Pro. Next one is investing and financial literacy. Money grows when it is invested wisely. So you must know how to manage stock, crypto, and other things like real estate. Follow Graham Stephan for smart money making tips, and you can use apps like Robinhood and Zerodha for simple investing, and Morningstar is a great for research. We have discussed 10 skills that you must know, and you can be from a broke student to a big millionaire. So start now. Learn these skills, leverage the AI tools which I have shared today, and you have to start it today. Also, let me know in the comment section below which skill are you going to learn first. Also, don't forget to like, share and hit subscribe button, and never miss my video. I will meet in the next video. Bye bye.